Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Alteryx video, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove duplicate rows on Alteryx. Let's do it together. Guys, here on my screen, I'm gonna move on to preparation section, sorry. Then I will move on until this option here, unique, okay? This is the tool that remove duplicated rows. To show you, to explain you how this tool works, I will just click with the right button of my mouse and then open example, okay? Once you do it, Alteryx just open this new tab called unique, okay? This is like a sample that show you how this tool that you selected to show as an example works, okay? So here I have a sample, a dataset sample that you can see in the left side. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields, more than 5, okay, 10 fields. The first one, customer ID, first name, last name, address, city, and all of this one, okay? I'm gonna just remove, for example, I have Pamela more than once in my data set. Let's check if we have it. First of all, I will just run. Then I will check how many same names I have on my data set. So I will put it summarize over here, and then put it group by first name, and then count the first name. Then we see how many duplicate rows we have it, okay? So I have one Alberta, one Alexandra, one Amy, two Amy, okay? Amy is the one that we have duplicated. Denise as well, Diane as well. Also we have Karen, we have Geraldine, we have Juan, so we have lots. One called J, only J. So we have many names that I have more than once in my data set, okay? How can I remove these duplicate rows? We're gonna just put it the unique. I will just remove this one because I wanna show you how it works. Building from scratch, okay? So I will click once, then delete. Okay, then I'll move on. I'm moving back to preparation section, then unique, connected with my data set. And this is really simple tool, okay guys? We just have to select it here. Which field we want to consider it as unique in our data set. For example, if I click it here and select only the first name, this means that I want to Alteryx consider it only one information of first name as unique value, okay? As you can see here, we have two outputs of these tools, which means one, the unique value. We can understand that Alteryx will just select the first time that this information appeared on dataset, okay? So this will be the first row of Amy, for example, and then the second row of Amy appear on our dataset will be considered duplicated, all right? So I will just select first name, then run. So first of all, let's check the unique output. So here you can see in the row number 3, we have Amy Lokeme from this address, this city, and this state, okay? And if we look at to the output, we can see Amy again with the last name Halter, okay? And other address, also other Denver, other city, and the same state. But definitely this Amy is different from the one that Alteryx put it here, okay? Because this is one customer ID and the other one is another customer ID, okay? So why I did that? Because I want to explain you guys, when you selected here the field, which means that you want just this field be considered as a duplication in the data set, okay? So if you click at just first name, Alteryx just remove it based on the first name only. If you want to include more fields, you can just select here, for example. If I select first and last name from this, you will see that the first Emmy will still appear over here. And also the other one that Alteryx put it over here, author, will be appear here in the unique value as well. Okay, now I just selected 2 fields, run it again. And you can see, guys, now we have 2 Emmys in our data set. Okay, that's how unique tool works. If you want to remove only duplicate rows, for example, I want to remove all duplicate rows in my data set and hold only one and keep only one row, the first one that appear with all that data. So if you want to do it, just click it here, select all. If you selected all, Alteryx will consider all these fields as the criteria to remove duplicates. Okay, if you do it, you just have to move on with your workflow from the unique output, okay, this first one. Then the duplicated, as you can see here, we don't have any duplicated rows, entire duplicated, okay? That's how I selected the fields in order to see if the row is full duplicated, okay? That's the basis when you build a workflow. Just select it all, first of all, and then in the unique, and then keep going with the unique results. Then from the unique of this unique tool, you can continue. Okay, now I want to remove duplicated based on first and last name only, for example. But I just recommend you guys to create one unique with all fields selected in order to prevent your data set for future issues with duplicated rows. Okay, that's how this tool works. So guys, that's how unique works on Alteryx. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, check if you are already subscribed or not, and also if you have any comments or any question, just let down in the comments, okay? And it'll be a pleasure to answer you, and see you in the next video. Bye.